Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to discuss topic number 1.2, multiplication of integers. Integers start from minus infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes up to infinity. We can also write integers as 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3 and so on. Multiplication we have one rule: plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus. Then we have plus into minus. Let us take different color. We have plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is also minus. You can see here, that is, if sign are same, both the signs are same, that is either both are plus or both are minus, then result is positive. Otherwise the result is negative if signs are different. Now let's take one example. In one example, everything will be covered about multiplication. We have 2 into 2. Let's take 2 into 4, 2 into minus 4, minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into 4, minus 2 into minus 4. We have here both the signs positive, so plus into plus is plus, and we have 2 into 4 equals to 8, so we have plus 8 as answer. We have one sign positive, one sign negative, so plus into minus is minus, 2 into 4 is 8, so we have answer as minus 8. We have here one sign negative, one sign positive, so minus into plus is minus, and 2 into 4 it equals to 8, so we have minus 8, and we have both the signs negative, so minus into minus is plus, and 2 into 4 is 8, so we have plus 8 as answer. Okay, so let's discuss the theory. In theory, they have taken one example, that is 3 into minus 5. We have one sign positive, one sign negative, so plus into minus is minus, 3 into 5 is 15, so we have minus 15 as answer. Let's solve all this. We have one sign positive, one sign negative, plus into minus is minus, so we have minus 4 8s are 32, we have 8 2s are 16, 7 3s are 21, and we have minus 10. Let's solve. Try this. Question number 1. Six into minus 19. We have plus into minus equals to minus, and 6 into 19 is 114, so we have minus 114 as answer. We have question number 2 is 12 into minus 32 plus into minus is minus, and 12 into 32 is 384, so we have answer minus 384. Third, 7 into minus 22, we have plus into minus is minus, 7 into 22 is 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14 and 1 15, we have minus 154 as answer. Now let's solve one more, try this. Question number 1. A, 15 into minus 16, one sign is positive, another is negative, so we have plus into minus is minus. 15 into 16 is 240, so we have answer minus 240. B, 21 into minus 32, we have one positive, one negative, plus into minus is minus. 21 into 32 is 672, so we have minus 672 as answer. C, minus 42 into 12, we have minus into plus is minus. 42 into 12 is 504, so answer is minus 504. And D, we have minus 55 into 15, one negative, one positive, plus into minus is minus. 55 into 15 is 825. Your answer minus 825. Question number 2. A, check if 25 into minus 21 equals to minus 25 into 21. So let's check for LHS. 25 into minus 21, we have one positive and another negative, plus into minus is minus. 25 into 21 is 525, so we have answer equals to minus 525. we have RHS. We have one sign negative, one sign positive. So plus into minus is minus. 25 into 21 is 525. So answer is minus 525. We have LHS equals to RHS. Hence this statement is true. Now let's check for B, that is minus 23 into 20 equals to 23 into minus 20. We have LHS minus 23 into 20, that is equals to minus into plus is minus, and 23 into 20 is 460. So answer is minus 460. Let's check for RHS. We have 23 into minus 20, we have plus into minus is minus. 23 into 20 is 460. So we have answer as minus 460. We have LHS equals to RHS. Hence the statement is true. They have asked that give similar 5 more example. We can write 2 into minus 4 equals to minus 2 into 4 equals to minus 8. Then we have 3 into minus 5 equals to minus 3 into 5 equals to minus 15. Then we have 4 into minus 5 equals to minus 4 into 5 equals to minus 20. Then we have 5 into minus 6 equals to minus 5 into 6 equals to minus 30. And fifth example, minus 6 into 7 equals to 6 into minus 7 equals to minus 42. So we have solved question number 1, question number 2. So in general, for any two positive integers, that is a equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, any integer that is positive, and b is also positive integer 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, we can write a into minus b equals to minus a into b, that is equals to minus in bracket a into b. In next lecture we will cover topic 1.2.2 multiplication of two negative integers. Thank you.